Now exercise 5.2. First question, fill in the blanks in the following table. Given that A is first term, D is the common difference, AN is the nth term of AP. So first one, A is equal to 7, D is equal to 3, N equal to 8. You are asked to find out AN. So AN, how will you find out? A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So AN is equal to A, that is 7, plus N is 8, so 8 minus 1 into D is 3, so that is equal to 7 in plus 7 into 3, 7 3 is a 21, plus 7, that is equal to 28. So our AN is equal to 28. Now second one, A is equal to negative 18, D is not given there. You are asked to find out D. N is equal to 10 and AN is equal to 0. So D you are asked to find out. So using the formula, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is 0. So 0 is equal to negative 18 plus 10 minus 1 into D. So negative 18 will come in this side. So it will be positive 18 is equal to 9D. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9D, or D is equal to 18 by 9 is equal to 2. Positive 2. So our D is positive 2. Then third one, A you are asked to find out. D is given the negative 3, N is equal to 18 and AN is equal to negative 5. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So negative 5 is equal to A you are asked to find out. So 18 minus 1 into negative 3. So negative 5 is equal to A minus 17 into 3. 18 minus 1, 17 into 3. It is negative 3, so it is negative here. So negative 5 is equal to A minus 51. Then A is equal to negative 5 plus 51, 46. So A value is 46. The fourth one, A is equal to negative 18 by 9, D is equal to 2.5, N you have to find out, and AN is equal to 3.6. So same, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So 3.6 is equal to negative 18.9 plus N minus 1 into 2.5 So here 3.6 plus 18.9, that is equal to 2.5n minus 2.5. So that 2.5 also will come here. So 3.6 plus 18.9, then plus 2.5. This negative 2.5 will also come here. So you will get 0, then 2, 10, 15. So 25 is equal to 2.5n, or n is equal to 25 by 2.5. So n is equal to 10 you will get. Now look at that fifth one. 3.5, a is 3.5, d is equal to 0, n is equal to 105. See, as d equal to 0, first term, second term, third term, and whatever it be, 105th term also will be 3.5. No, that 1 mark question also it can be asked. If a is equal to 3.5 and d is equal to 0, 105th term is also 3.5. As d equal to 0, 3.5 plus 0, second term is 3.5, again plus 0, third term is also 3.5, and it will go on like that. Now second question, choose the correct choice in the following and justify. 30th term of AP 10, 7, 4, etc. So it is given 30th term you are asked to find A 30. So our AP is 10, 7, 4, etc. So what is A? A is equal to 10. What is D? That is 7 minus 10, that is equal to negative 3. Then you are asked to find out A 30, that is n is equal to 30 here. So that will be A plus, that is 10 plus 30 minus 1 into negative 3. So that is equal to 10 plus 30 minus 1, negative 10 plus 30 minus 1, 29 into negative 3. 29 into A 30, negative A 30 is equal to 10 minus 29 into 3, 29 is 27, 80, 87, so it will be 77, negative 77 it will come. Now second question, 11th term of AP you are asked to find out, where A is equal to negative 3, then negative 1 by 2, then 2, like that it is going. So A is equal to negative 3, D is equal to negative 1 by 2 minus 3. So it will be negative 1 by 3 plus 3, 1 by 2 plus 3, taking LCM 6, then D is equal to 5 by 2. 5 by 2, positive 5 by 2. Now n is equal to 11. So A11 will be equal to A plus, that is negative 3 plus 11 minus 1 into D, that is 5 by 2. So negative 3 plus 10 into 5 by 2. You can cut this one. So negative A11 will be equal to negative 3 plus 25. That is 22. So second option B is the right answer. Let us discuss third one. In the following APs, find the missing terms in the boxes. 2, then second term is missing, third term is 26. So A is equal to 2, A3 is equal to 26. That means A plus 2D is equal to 26. Okay, we don't know D, so A is equal to 2 we know, so put it in that, put that value. 2 plus 2D is equal to 26, or 2D will be equal to 26 minus 2, that is equal to 24. So 2D equal to 24, or D is equal to 24 divided by 2, that is equal to 12. So D you got 12. So you can find second term. Second term will be, second term is A plus D. So 2 plus 12. 2 plus 12 is 14. So 14 plus 12, 26. Here only one term you are asked to find out. Now first term absent, second term is given, third term is not given, then fourth term is given. So A is not given. A you have to find out. Then A3 also you have to find out. A3 means A plus 2D. So what are given there? A2, that is A plus D is given, that is equal to 13, and A plus 3D is also given, that is equal to 3. So you can solve this one using linear equation, otherwise yesterday's method. So A plus 3D is equal to 3. So you can split that one, A plus D plus 2D equal to 3, or A plus D is equal to 13. So 13 plus 2D is equal to 3, or 2D will be equal to 3 minus 13, that is equal to negative 10. 2D equal to negative 10, or D is equal to negative 10 divided by 2, that is negative 5. So D value you are getting negative 5. So how will you find A? A is either you can put it in this value, okay, or directly you can find out A, 13 minus 5, okay. So put it in this value, A plus D is equal to 13. So A plus, so negative 5 is equal to 13, or A is equal to 13 plus 5, that is equal to 18. A value is 18. Now this term, how will you find out? A3 is equal to A plus 2D, that is equal to 18 plus 2 into negative 5. So 18 minus 10, that is equal to 8. So A is equal to 18. Next one you got A3 is equal to 8. Now third one, 5. Then 2 terms are absent there. Then 9 and half. So 5, starting one is A is equal to 5. Then A2, A3 is absent. A4 is equal to 9 and half. A4, that is equal to 9 and half. A4 means A plus 3D is equal to 9 and half. So A plus 3D is equal to 9 and half. So here A is 5. So 5 plus 3D is equal to 9 and half. You can make it 19 by 2. No, 9 2s are 18 plus 1, 19 by 2. So 3D is equal to 19 by 2 minus 5. So 19 minus 5 into 2, 10 by 2. So 3D is equal to 9 by 2. Now D is equal to 9 by 2 by 3. So here 3 by 2. So D you got 3 by 2. So what will be the second term? A2. A2 will be equal to A plus D, that is equal to 5 plus 3 by 2. Take LCM. 5 into 2, 10 plus 3 by 2, 13 by 2. Okay. Now what will be A3? A3 will be equal to A plus 2D, that is equal to 5 plus 2 into 3 by 2. 2 you can cancel. So 5 plus 3, that is equal to 8. So you got A2 and A3. Now next one, 4 terms you are asked to find out. Starting one is 4, fourth one. Then 4 terms are absent there. Then 6, that is A is equal to negative 4. Then second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth term is A6 is equal to 6, that is A plus 5D is equal to 6. A value is negative 4. So negative 4 plus 5D, that is equal to 6. Or 5D equal to 6 plus 4, 10. Or D is equal to 10 by 5, that is equal to 2. So D value got as 2. Then how will you find out A2? A2 is equal to A plus D, that is negative 4 plus 2, that is negative 2. Now A3, how will you get negative 2 plus 2, 0. Like that you can do, or by using the formula you can do. Or A3 will be equal to negative 4 into 2D. So negative 4 plus 2 into negative 2, that is 0. Then A4 negative 4 plus 3D, so negative 4 plus 3 into negative 2, negative 4, sorry, here it will be negative 4 plus 6, that is equal to 2, positive 2, D value is positive 2. Now A5 4D negative 4 plus 4 into 2, negative 4 plus 8, that is equal to 4. Okay, so you got first one negative 2, then 0, then 2, then 4. Now fifth one, 38 negative 22. First term is absent there, so A you have to find out. Now A plus D is given there, 38, and 1 2 3 4 5 6th term, that is A plus 5D equal to negative 22. So here you can split A plus D plus 4D is equal to negative 22. So 38 plus 4D is equal to negative 22, or 4D will be equal to negative 22 plus negative 38. Here when it comes this side it will be negative, so 4D is equal to 60, negative 60, or D is equal to negative 60 by 4, that is negative 15. Now A, how will you find out? Put it in this equation, you will get A. Then find out A3, A4, A5, like that. Okay.